All right, guys, next break of the night is going to be our first and only. Got a Hit Parade 2025 legendary autographed football jersey. This is Series 5. You've got one autographed jersey, a lot of former players, Hall of Famers, some big names that you can find in here, some current players as well. But this is a step up just from their base level autographed jersey. So legendary, lot bigger hits, bigger names, a lot of authentic jerseys as well. So this is going to be a random division break. So 8 spots altogether. Rick, you've got 3 spots in this. Donnie, you've got 2. James, you've got 2. And then Jason closed this out with the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our divisions. Got just a couple more hours to use Weekend 20 and get 20% off. It's going to expire tonight at midnight. Plus, every team or spot you purchase is going to give you entry into our giveaway coming up on the 31st. 2018 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. We're going 2018 Rookie QB hunting. Did not even mix that up. Yeah, I did. All right, guys, here are your list of divisions. Donnie, you've got the AFC North and the NFC North. James with the NFC West and the AFC West. Jason, you've got the NFC East. Rick with the NFC South and the AFC South. And then you've also got the AFC East. So Norths are together, Wests are together, Souths are together. All right, so there are your list of divisions. It's our first and only. Let's see if we can pull a big name out of this box. All right, guys, so this is box 71 out of 100. Change up the boxes a little bit on this, huh? It's the first one we've opened of their new jerseys. All right, guys, good luck. All right, we are going legendary. I think it's going to be a Derek Brooks for Tampa Bay. It is legendary Bucks linebacker. And this is, feels like Nike on field. So nice jersey there. That's going to be the NFC South, which will go out to Rick. Rick, there you go, man. It is NFL or Nike. What's this? Nike or Reebok? It's Nike. Nike on field. That's sweet. All right, Rick, there you go, man. Congratulations. We will get that jersey in the mail to you tomorrow. Appreciate you guys jumping in on this one. We'll do some more jersey breaks coming up here soon.